Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 21st through December 3rd. For November 21st to 25th, we have a ridge forecast here off the west coast of Canada and into the northern Rockies, and we have a trough forecast in the east. We have a split flow with an upper low here in the southwest. Okay, heavy precipitation. We're going to look at this first. Okay, heavy precipitation is forecast in the southwest as the upper low begins to move east. But some areas of heavy rain and mountain snows are possible for portions of the Four Corners region and the southern Rockies on Thursday. So here we are on Thursday. Here it is. This is the GFS. You can see snow, mostly in the higher elevations, rain, heavy snow. And then we look at the European, a little like less of the precipitation, but it's similar. And then further east, rain and snow will accompany this low pressure system here, be across the Midwest on Thursday and into the Northeast on Friday. So here we are, it's Thursday. This is a GFS. And you can see the area of snow here across upper Midwest, mixed precipitation. And then you have rain here. And then it moves into the east on Friday. Probably mixed precipitation across Maine. But rain mostly all in all. Here it is with a frontal system. And we will have a situation here across this area here, across the lower Mississippi Valley, parts of the southeast, for heavy rain, overrunning rains across this region. And we'll have heavy rain to be moisture overrunning this boundary, resulting in heavy rain and maybe storms here across this region. So we're looking at the GFS and then the European. European is not as, on both of the systems, are showing less precipitation compared to the GFS. Okay, and then as the low pressure crosses the Appalachian and exits the eastern seaboard by Saturday night, rain should spread across portions of the Mid-Atlantic and New England. Look at this. This is interesting. Saturday, 7 a.m., snow across portions of the Mid-Atlantic. Nice. It's probably associated with this low here. So we have to see how that materializes. Notice where the 540 line is. Right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. And then we look at the European. At that time, it's slower to get the precipitation in, but the 540 line is there. And then we'll go to Saturday, 7 p.m. It doesn't really bring the 540 in until the precipitation ends. And this is on Sunday. 540 line here is just into Pennsylvania, inland, northeast of Mid-Atlantic. Okay, back to the forecast. This is for November 24th to 28th. And during this period, you see a broad trough will cover much of the nation. And a ridge is forecast off the west coast of Canada. You can see it right here. With the split flow still remaining in the southwest with the upper low. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here for the west coast. And I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal, then below normal temperatures for much of this area here from the eastern Rockies to Atlantic coast. Anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal are forecast. I'm a little iffy here, but that's why I said 2 degrees, maybe 1, 2 degrees here, because it might be closer to normal along the east coast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this region. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Going to the next period, this is for November 29th through December 3rd. You can see we have a broad trough across much of the nation. This is a GFS. But then as we get to the end of the period, it has this trough here with a below normal heights, a broad trough here across the west central states, ridge in the east. So does its ensembles. But look at the European ensembles. And then we look at the NAEFS still, along with the other models, a trough here across the west central states, ridge here. But during this period, did I close it? Yeah, I did. The NAO and the OA indexes are forecast to be negative. So I think a pattern more like this is expected of like the European ensembles. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of near 2 degrees below normal, and we have above normal, that is, and we have below normal temperatures for much of this region here, and the forecast anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal are forecast, or 3 to 6 degrees are forecast. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation across the majority of the nation except for the west coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 21st through December 3rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Unley's World of Weather, and have a good day.